Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a Designer Flipbook review and how to create a flipbook on Designer. For its reviews and feedback, users have praised Designer for its user-friendly interface and efficiency in creating professional-looking flipbooks. One user noted, "It's impressive that the number of formats you can upload at the Designer site, and it will create a beautiful ebook for you within a few minutes." So it is a good website for you to make an ebook. Now, on how to make your ebook. First, input your content. Import your content. From existing PDFs, upload your PDF directly into Designer. And if it's from other sources, import content from blog posts, Word documents, or Google Docs. Step 2. Design and customize. Choose from over 200 templates to match your brand or theme. Now, edit the content by modifying the text, images, and layout as needed. Step 3. Generate the flipbook. After finalizing your design, click on Open PDF in Flipbook to generate an interactive flipbook link. Lastly, share or embed. Distribute the flipbook link directly to your audience. And embed on website. Use the provided embed code to display the flipbook on your website or blog. And that's basically it.